So this is how you can add Google Drive to your iPad Files app. So let me guide you through it. If you are first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so naturally the iPad Files app browses the local storage and iCloud, but you can see I also have other providers like the Google Drive and so on. So the first step to get that is to just open up the App Store and download the dedicated third-party app for that cloud service. So in our case, it would be the Google Drive, which I actually have to download as a dedicated app on the App Store. I mean, from the App Store to the iPad. And I have to go through the setup process, like set up the account and everything. And once I do that, I can return to the Files app, and in the left section, part of the locations, I should see the Google Drive, and when I click on it, it should ask me to turn it on to confirm it once again, and then I would be able to have access to all of the same files, which I can also access on my official Google Drive app on the iPad. So that's how you can do this. If you cannot see it, tap on the three dots in the top portion of the sidebar, and this is gonna let you edit the sidebar, and you can see that it can literally just be toggled off. So if you see the Google Drive there, but it doesn't have the green toggle enabled, make sure you turn it on, and you can also grab it on the right side and reorganize it. So perhaps you drag it toward the top so you can find it even quicker. But that would be all from me. I really hope that can help you with this. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the future tutorials and videos similar to this one.